And this is the adventure of the small kitchen.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new.
Hey people, for today's home cooking, we'll be making carbonara. For our ingredients, we'll have bacon, cheese, milk, pepper, salt, onions, garlic, and mushroom. The mushroom, I have already soaked it in water so that it will be chewy. We now heat our pan and put in the oil that we got from the bacon. We now put in our onion. Saute it for a little bit. Then we include our garlic. Saute this until they are cooked. We now add in our mushrooms. We put in a little bit of water. And let that simmer for a little bit until some of the water are almost gone. We now add in our milk. I forgot to include in the ingredients, but we will also be needing some cornstarch. Put in a little bit of the cornstarch to thicken the sauce. When the sauce has already thickened a little, we now add a little bit of our cheddar cheese. So let the cheese melt. Please don't get me wrong with this carbonara because this is my own version. I'll add a little bit of salt and pepper. Lower the heat. And you mix it. We taste our sauce. When the sauce is cooked, we get some pasta. Then you mix the pasta with the sauce.
Do you want to know what's simple but tastier? B-roll.
We get a plate. We get some mushroom. We top it some cheese. And we top it with our bacon. Now, for our taste test. Get some pasta, mushroom, and bacon. The smokiness, the smoky flavor of the mushroom, and also the flavor of the bacon, they blend well. Good, guys. Bon appetit! So again, thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button, like this video, and most especially, share this video so that my content will be suggested in other videos. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you all in another one.
Listen to the